Long enough. Hi everyone. We just wanted to touch base and throw up a little video from the first Modern Homesteading Conference. We came to this. It's in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and we were, I guess, kind of in the know of what we were going to do, but still a little unsure what we were gonna find. But we found some really great speakers and met some really neat people. We even found some people right in our neighborhood
within just a few miles of where we live.
Right. So we just wanted to say that we had a great time here, and thanks to the founders. Melissa K. Norris is a co-founder, and just really thank her for gathering her thoughts and collaborating with her friends to put this on. So we really appreciated it. And so we didn't film during this weekend. We really focused on just being present and listening and learning, and
took lots of notes.
We took lots of notes. But we wanted to just jump on here and share with you that we're here, and we will promote this event. We plan to come back next year, and we just found that it was really a great event for community and learning.
And lots of like-minded people in attendance. So everybody we talked to is kind of in the mindset we're in, and the same views. It was really cool to be at the fairgrounds here with so many people that have the same goals and things like us. That you know, they express the same kind of goals and values of life. It's kind of neat. You know, everybody we've talked to has been pleasant, very cordial families, lots of little kids running around that are real polite. It's a neat environment and everything.
So so the conference is just at the tail end, and we'll just take you through a little bit. But for the most part, we just wanted to jump on and say that we were here, and we thoroughly enjoyed being here. And if anybody's out there looking for a big community of people gathering together for these topics of, I guess, homestead in general. That's pretty general, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth the buying the tickets and taking the time and driving up here or traveling here. We would recommend it. Yeah.
Had a great time. Looking forward to it. Now it's off to find some hot springs. Maybe we will video some of them a little bit to give you some more content on another video.
So thanks for understanding that we didn't video throughout the 2-day conference. We really were focusing on paying attention and learning and absorbing what was in front of us. And we're happy to share anybody that wants to reach out and question, about this conference. If you have any questions, if you weren't able to attend, feel free to reach out to us, leave us a comment, and we'll be happy to talk with you about that. But yeah, we will promote this conference and recommend that if you can in any way, definitely get here. So so there was a ton of vendors. I don't know how many vendors, but people are already breaking down now, but I would say that there was more than 100 vendors here, don't you think? Up at the Kootenai County Fairgrounds in Coeur d'Alene. We took up the whole entire fairgrounds, all of the outbuildings, sessions, the indoor vendors, that sort of thing. And the arena, Rory Feek was here doing some songs and storytelling and all of that. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, it was really hot. The breeze feels good.
I know, it's kind of stuffy in here.
It's very stuffy on the insides. If you guys could just smell the soaps here. Heritage Farmstead has all of her homemade soaps and lotions and stuff. Smells beautiful. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for your support and checking this short little video out. And again, if you have any questions about the Modern Homesteading Conference, please just reach out to us. We'll answer anything that we can, refer to anybody that we think that would have the answers we don't. But thanks for your support.